Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short video we will cover a method that I forgot to mention, which is the getDeclaringClass method for accessing the class in which the method is declared. So quickly I will create a student class. Within it, I will create a singular method, public void display info information display. There we go. Okay. Then I will store this class into an object so that we can access it. Then I will get that method, get declared method, and it is simply display info. Is it info or information? And we need to add the exception, add it here. Then we will access this method, get declaring class. So this method returns the class that declares the method. Which class declares this method? The student class. So it returns a class object, as you can see here. So it will say class student any moment now. There we go. And that is it with regards to this video. I hope this lecture was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.